After installing and activating TNC BookShelf Popup Pro plugin, you can see there will be an icon called TNC BookShelf Popup Pro, and now you need to add items. So let's add a new item. First you need to give a title. Here I name it Test 1. Okay, now which content you want to display, you can display anything. A single image, an image gallery, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, maps or any embedded items, shortcode, any custom title or text, any post or page, then Woocommerce products, TNC FlipBook, PDF viewer. Literally anything you can add on this. So first, I want to add a single image. I need to upload the image. If it's already uploaded, select it from Media Library and click on Select. And then if you want to show this as a list view, you need to put a short description here. Most interesting part is you need to add a feature image which will be shown on the bookshelf. So when someone clicks on this image on the bookshelf, full version of the image will shown there. Now click Publish and you're done. Now I will show the image gallery. For this, click on Add Gallery and it will open your media library. You can upload new images from here, or you can select previous uploaded image. All you need to do is just select multiple images for your library and click on Create a new gallery. After that, click on Insert Gallery. And you're done. After that, simply add your featured image and publish your image gallery. Okay, now I want to add a YouTube video. For this, I need to attach the video ID here. Okay, let's do it. I want to select this video. So all I need to do is just copy the video ID from here and paste it on that field. After that, I have to select a featured image. And it's done. Now I want to add Vimeo video. For this, I need a Vimeo video ID. Okay, let's do it. I want to add this video. So all I have to do is just copy the video ID from here and paste it on this field. After that, select a featured image, and if you want, you can add categories for this. Finally, click on Publish and you're all done. Okay, now I want to add the embedded item. I want to add a flipbook here. All I have to do is attach a flipbook link here. To do this, go to Media, and then select your flipbook and attach the link here. Now you can show it with a custom weight and height or as a full screen. You can select anything. Next, I will select a featured image. After that, click Update and Publish. Now I want to add shortcode. In this section, you will see visual and text. Simply click on Text. Now all I need to do is write a shortcode here. So I am already created a shortcode for this. So I am copy this shortcode from here and paste it on this shortcode field. Okay, now simply add a featured image for this and publish. Okay, now I want to add custom title and text. For this, simply select this content, custom title and text. After that, you have to write your text in this field. For example, here I write theme encode. You have to write your own text here. After that, select your featured image and publish your content. Very simple process. Now I want to add any post or page. Okay, here I have to select this, any post or page. Now I have to select content. So here I search for my content and select this blog post, how to create a free food delivery website in WordPress. After this, I have to select screen size, full screen or custom width height. You can select any of these. Finally, select a featured image for this content and publish it. Okay, now I want to add Woocommerce product. For this, I have to select my content and which is a Woocommerce product. So here I've select this beauty product. After selecting my product, I have to select screen size. You can select full screen or custom width height. Here, I need to change my iframe width and height so that I am changing it. You can change it as per your needs. Okay, after that, simply choose your featured image and publish this content. Okay, now I want to pick up on our last item, and that is the TNC FlipBook PDF viewer. But for this you must install TNC FlipBook plugin on your computer. Here you can see that I have already installed and activated this plugin. I need to select my content. Here you can see I'm selecting this. And now I need to add a featured image and publish this. Very simple process. So how easy it is to work with this plugin I just showed.